So far you have seen how to install Python, how to install VS Code, and also you have seen how to install the required extensions in the VS Code. In this video I will discuss how to write our very first Python program by creating the .py file, and we will try to print something in the output. And also we will see how to run the Python program using VS Code editor. Let's go to the VS Code, and firstly I will create a one folder called chapter 1. Under chapter 1 I am creating a new file called 01 underscore hello.py. Each and every Python files will have the extension called .py. So let's open the file, and just we will print some text in the output. So by using the print, and inside this you can write single quotation or double quotation. Let's add a message as hello, welcome to testers talk YouTube channel. That's it. Now we are done with writing a just one line of code. Just we are trying to print the message in the output. So we are done with creating a simple py file, and also we are done with writing a one line of code that will print the given text. And you can run this Python program just by going to the on the top right side there is a run icon. Simply click on the run Python file, and if you see here, our Python program got executed, and we are able to print the given text by using the print function.